Special Agent Fox Mulder here, and we're down at the new trestle bridge across Peninsula Link. Just climbed up that crossless hill there, and we're going to watch a doodlebug go across this trestle bridge here. Dang, that's chain link fence, but this train hasn't been filmed here before or anyone, so on my way past I thought I might as well grab it before I head down and film the steam train. So we're at Karingal, so we're about 40 kilometres southeast of Melbourne, in Victoria, Australia, and we're waiting for the doodlebug. So yeah, they slid this bridge, this trestle bridge, into position about, I'd like to say about 2012. And yeah, it was just one of those ones where they just slid it all across. A massive dig out all here. This is all dug out. It's part of the Flora and Fauna Reserve here, Langwarren. And we can see we're all concrete rail ties here. So I've got a bit of coastal tea tree, which is pretty common around here. It's native to this area. Of course, you've got your obligatory gum trees, wattle trees, and some boronia as well. And like I said, it's a wildlife flora and fauna reserve, so there'll be plenty of koalas and such in there, plus plenty of venomous snakes. Of course, it's Australia. Okay, doodlebug ahoy. I'm going to just try and flick it through this little bit of a gap in the wire here. I just heard his horn, so I won't be far around the corner. Doodlebug ahoy! First time filmed across this trestle bridge. Exclusive to Special Agent Fox Mulder. Absolute alright. Awesome. And he's around the corner, and next stop for him will be back to the station. Cool. That was a pretty good time, and I've got to head down to the steam train now, so got a horn salute. Excellent. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. Go ahead and give me a like and a subscribe, or the doodlebug a like and a subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. That'll be Special Agent Fox Mulder out.